Oh yeah, let me get the message out too. We live. We live. What's good, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back to Stock Plug Investments. Oh, yeah, I just sent the message out.
Cool.
Bad. Let me pull it up. Yeah, welcome back, y'all, man. Today we're gonna be talking about IPOs. What exactly is an IPO, and when is a good time to invest in them, man? A lot of people be like, hearing about these new companies about to hit the market, and they be ready to put their money up. We're gonna tell you when a good time, man. It ain't always a good time, man. Even if it's a great company, it might not be the right time to buy it. So
Yeah, definitely. We got to pull up a few IPOs from last year, see what they looking like. I know a lot of IPOs last year went crazy as soon as they dropped.
bro, yeah, last year had some of the most IPOs in the stock market in a long time. Like, bro,
Dang, see, I didn't even know that. I
yeah,
knew it had to be a lot.
yeah, it was like almost a record-breaking year for IPOs last year, bro. It was crazy. People was getting tired of IPOs last year, no cap. People was getting tired of them because it be sucking up money from the market. Like, people be wanting to get in these new plays, so they be pulling their money from other investments and putting them in the IPOs.
Oh, yeah.
So it had the market like going down and fluctuating and all that. So IPOs, it can be a good thing and a bad thing. So we're gonna definitely talk about all of that today on Stock Plug Investments, where we teach you not to go looking for somebody to give you a stock pick, which we got for you today, but we want to show you how to find these yourself, man, for real, man, because it really ain't hard, man. We showing y'all the methods, man. It's really simple, man. It ain't. It's a lot of ways to find a good company and a good price for it. We just showing y'all one of the ways. By the way, we are not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all entertainment and for knowledge purpose. Keep that in mind, but we do know what we're talking about. And I mean, we definitely got years of experience in the stock market. Appreciate everybody that's coming up, man. If you got questions, put them in the chat. If you don't get to put them in the chat while we live, go ahead, DM us some questions. We'll answer some questions in the DM on IG. Or you can even put them in the comments on the videos. We'll come back and tap in for sure.
I'll definitely be reading the comments after live. See you all in there.
All that. So yeah, right now or during the live, y'all, if y'all got any questions, feel free to ask any questions. We're gonna dive into it. We don't want to get this video being too long. So go ahead, bro. You can start off with the IPOs.
For sure. So what is an initial public offering? That's the what they call it, acronym for IPO.
Oh yeah. That's the that's the
acronym of IPO, initial public offering, and so it's an initial public offering, aka IPO, refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to a public in a new stock issuance or issuance.
Yep.
Something like that, whatever. Public share insurance allows a company to raise capital from public investors. The transition from a private to a public company can be an important time for private investors to fully realize gains from their investment, as it typically includes share premiums from current private investors. Meanwhile, it also allows public investors to participate in the offering. Well, I wasn't even supposed to read all that, but yeah, sum them up. What is an IPO?
I got you. So
fully understand.
Since you read that bottom part, I dive into that first. So there's talking about how like they said that it's the company receives a premium from the current private investors. So for a company IPOs, it's already people that invested in the company already before. So they didn't already put their money up and invested in this company privately.
Yeah.
The IPO is when it officially goes public, and now the retail investors like us can start buying it.
Yeah.
So That's what that bottom half is saying. But IPO is just like, basically what I said, like, a private company. They did made all the money they can, did all the business they can while they was private, and now they ready to go to the next level and put their company on a NASDAQ, on a publicly traded stock market. So now we can invest in this company and they take this money and grow out the business even further, make the business even bigger. You know what I mean? And that's how a lot of these companies become these Microsofts and Apples and big companies and conglomerates, because they take the money that we give them when we buy these shares, we buy pieces of this company, they take that bread and reinvest it back into the company and grow it bigger. So that's basically what an IPO is, a company going public and saying, all right, y'all can buy a piece of this company, as much as you can afford, and we're going to take that money and grow the business out even more.
Yeah. I can't wait till Chick-fil-A go public. They still
I think they said something about they weren't gonna go public, bro. I think they did. I hope they do.
Chick-fil-A stock probably dropped like at 400 or something.
And hey, open up at 400. So that's another thing about IPOs too. Like they the biggest hype for real when they come out. A lot of people like, especially if it's a good company, like a lot of people like to immediately jump on and throw their money straight at the stock or whatever. That ain't always the best thing to do.
I'm scared of IPOs, man. It fluctuates so much as soon as it come out. Like
they do. You know what I mean? Because, and part of the reason they do that is because the private investors that got in before they IPO, some of them, it's two ways you can do it. It can be what's the word? I forgot the word I'm looking for. But it's two ways it could be done. Like when you invest in privately, you can invest privately and you could sell your shares as soon as the stock IPO if you want. But then it's another way you could do it where you locked in and you can't sell your shares until like a few months after it IPO.
See, I didn't even know that. People get bread off them IPOs.
Yeah, so it's two different ways. So most people try to take the way where they can sell it as soon as IPO, because most stocks, when they IPO, they run up.
Yeah, definitely.
You know what I mean? Because people, they want to get in. So usually they run up. Some of them run up $100, $50.
Yeah, eventually it always come back down though.
Exactly, and that's what we're gonna show y'all today. Like, when is the best time to invest in these IPOs? Don't forget, y'all, if y'all got any questions, man, make sure y'all put them in the chat. We answering questions throughout the video real quick. And if y'all got some questions later on, and while we ain't live, put them in the comments. We'll pull up, answer those for sure. Did you want to say anything about this, bro, about IPOs before I jump into the chart? No.
No. I think they should have a full understanding of what an IPO is or whatever. So we can go check some out. I want to look at DoorDash for sure.
Oh yeah, bet. Yeah, I already got a watch list for IPOs, because last year it was a lot of big IPOs that dropped last year that I want to be a part of in the future for sure. So
yeah, you can do your screen share whenever you're ready.
So boom. Before we get into this, I do want to say, you can do some private, and no, it's not private. I think it is private. You can do like private investing on Webull too. They'll let you buy shares of a company before IPOs.
Oh yeah.
If you're interested in something like that, you can do that. It's another website. You remember that website we got on
the
our
IPO website? I forgot the name of it.
Yeah, I forgot the.
I'm trying to figure it out before we went live so I can let them know. That's a good platform too.
That is a good one. But so one of the rule of thumbs that we want to tell y'all, man, with IPO, you first of all, before I get into that, what's DoorDash ticker, bro? There you go.
Oh, that you already had it on your list.
Oh, it was already on the list. See, I'm already had it. You know what I mean? I was already had my eyes on it, bro. I was already on it. All right, so rule of thumb with IPOs, man. We do not chase IPOs, bro. We don't do it.
Definitely not.
Real investors, people that know what's going on in the market, they do not chase IPOs, because they all do the same thing. All of them do the same thing, bro. You know what I mean? You can chase it if you're going to trade it. If you know what you're doing in the trade and you can figure out like when to get in and when to get out, then you can trade it, like a short-term trade on it. But if you're trying to invest in this company for the long haul, we're going to wait. And we're about to show you exactly why we wait. Okay, so this is how it is. We're going to show y'all a couple IPOs so y'all can know, like, this ain't no one-off. All of these IPOs do the same exact thing, bro. Same pattern. So right here, this is on the monthly chart. These are monthly candles. You know what? Let me give you the day so you can really see what's going on with these real quick. Like you can see the big movement in them. All right, so let me make this bigger for us. Boom. Let's make that big and then let's do it like this. Let's lock in, y'all. All right, so boom. This is Snowflake. This is a real good company, man. A lot of people jumped on this when it first IPO, man. As you can see, boom, it IPO right here this day, September 16th. And the day it IPO'd, it ran up. It had a low of 231 and a high of 3 in a day.
$70-$80 right there.
Bruh, in a day. Quit playing. Like that's what IPOs do. So if you're gonna trade and you're gonna get in and out, cool. That makes sense to do that. But if you like, I love this company, I want to buy this company and hold it for a long time, you know what I mean? Unless you just got a lot of money, I'll wait to get in because they all do the same pattern. They run up, then they come back down to where they IPO'd at. You know what I mean? It opened at, let me show you where it opened at. It opened at what price? Open at 245. So 245 is like right there. Where it's at right now? Where it's at right now?
I mean, same price.
This when you jump in. This when you jump in. You get in right here. When it hit 45, you might grab a little bit right there. Be like, all right, cool. We're gonna get some right here, get a few shares. Then if it keep falling, we're gonna get some more right here. You know what I mean? 194. And then as it come up, boom, we making money now. It broke this downtrend line. We in the money now. Let's start eating now. This is a perfect time. I'm happy we're doing this IPO because now I can start buying Snowflake. I was waiting for this. I'm happy I wasn't even paying attention to it. This is the right time for me to buy Snowflake. This is a good buy right here, y'all. Tell you right now. Don't say I ain't tell y'all. This is a good company. This is a good buy. This is the future. Don't sleep on Snowflake. So let's look at another one real quick. Airbnb. Everybody know about Airbnb. Everybody was hype about Airbnb. I love the concept. I want to invest in it. All that. Same thing. Same exact thing. And look where it's at. Where IPO'd at. All of these dropped last year, y'all. All of these dropped last year. This is December of last year. Open is right up here. Boom. 148. Where the stock at right now?
Same price.
Oh my God, bro. Let's go. I'm ready to get in now. It would have been better I caught it at 130, but I ain't tripping because I'm holding this for the long term.
Right.
It's a good buy. Like, yeah, I ain't catch this move, but the reason why we skeptical of jumping in IPOs initially, the real reason for traders is because traders go off of past history. We like
ain't no history with the IPO.
Yeah, you need some support and resistance. You need some data to go off of to predict what's gonna happen in the future. Right. So if you get in the stock the day it come out, you ain't got no history to go off of. So you don't know when to get out. You don't know when this boy gonna drop on you. You know what I mean? So that's why we stay away from him, let him do the run up. And then now we know, like, okay, so this stock right here got potential to run all the way back up to 220. Right. Flat out. Like it already did it. It's going back if it's a good company. So we're gonna wait. We know we can catch this. What's this, like a $50-$70 move? $70 move. We can catch this whole move. Probably take a year or two, but it don't matter. Like you caught it at the right time. It's a good buy right here, especially if you believe in the company. So, boom, this is another one right here. I love this one right here. AI, C3 AI. This is my baby right here. I'm already investing.
Y'all gonna go crazy.
Yeah, AI gonna go crazy.
Future for real.
This the future right here, y'all. So some of y'all might have heard of the concept the Internet of Things. And all that is like how all of our appliances and stuff connected together. So how my phone connected to my watch, connected to my Fitbit, connected to my lights in my house, connected to some of them connected to the refrigerator, the washing machine, the dryer. All of that's considered the Internet of Things. And that's what C3 AI is going to specialize in. And that's the future. Like we at the beginning of this. Now it's going to be to where our cars can talk to us, or we could tell a car what to do. You know what I mean? But we're already doing that with remote start, but it's going to be even more advanced. You know what I mean? So this is just the beginning of it. And this company specializes in this. So don't sleep on this. Really recommend this. You know what I mean? It's a buy right here. I'm going to tell you that right now. You decide, you do your
due looking like when it hit a high, what's that, 180 right there?
Yeah, 183.
That's a big flip right there.
You know what I mean, bro? I caught it at 60, I believe. Caught it at 60. I'm waiting for it to dip a little more to this. Come back to this red line one more time. I already got my limit by. As soon as it gets that, it's gonna automatically buy me some more shares instantly.
I ain't got to support red.
Oh yeah. I don't even know what I was doing, but you already know what that means, though.
Yeah, though.
You already know you're right. I like to be official too. You already seen it bounced off at once. Once it break out this channel, we trending up, y'all. So it might come here one more time, come to 40, it might not. So I secured a position at 60 just in case it don't want to come down no more. If it decide to break out the channel now, I'm already got a little position now. If it decide to come down here, I'm gonna get some more. But as you can see, it did the same pattern, y'all. It ran up, boom, came down, ran up again. No, we ain't ready. Create that double top up here. See that double top, boom. They both end at like the same stop price range, and then it fell. You know what I mean? All of these stocks follow the same trend, bro. This like, why give them your money? Why go through this stress? Why go through all of this? Like, oh, I'm losing money. I'm losing money. You know what I mean? Unless you know when to buy it and you know it's about to fall right here or something, or you hold it to this point and then it come back like $30 and then you sell, you still make some bread, yeah. But you might have, real talk, most people probably would have got out when it ran up here and then fell all the way down here.
Right.
So you still probably would have been salty when it ran up here. So it's like just wait till it come back to the IPO price. You know what I mean?
More when it ran up, FOMO.
Yeah, in real talk, this one ain't even come all the way down yet. Like this one IPO down here at $10. It ain't even come back that low. But at least it came back close. This thing ran to $45. Like, nah, bro, I'm not buying that at $45, bro. I'm gonna wait down, and it still could come down some more. And the way I find out if it is, I draw a trend line. What's going on in here? You know what I mean? Boom. It broke the trend. It's probably not come back down right now. No time soon. I mean, it could, maybe not. You never know. Everything is different in the stock market. My lines look crazy. I don't know when I did this. Disregard that line, bro. We ain't pay attention to that. But yeah, ain't no telling you know where this can go, man. So you know, this another company I was interested in when they IPO'd or whatever. They go another one. Like they all follow this same pattern. So why even get yourself caught up in this? One day it ran from a low of $30 to a high of 46, $16 in one day. And then the very next day it dropped. You know what I mean? Like, for real. Why my phone rocking right now? Like, y'all should know I'm live. Yeah, so yeah, like more. You want to see DoorDash? Here we go, bro. Let me pull up DoorDash for us.
Oh yeah.
Boom, look at that. Prime buy right now. Look at that. Look at that. Run up. Ran all the way up to what? 256, man. 256, man.
Yeah, that's what I seen. I'm like, I'm not gonna play with it. Like it ran up. Yeah. Something crazy.
This is $100 sale right now. This one you buy. This is on sale because if this is a good company, it's coming back to this price. I don't know when. It could take a few years, but we long-term investors anyway.
It's a resistance right there. Whenever it go up, reverse, use that as a resistance.
Yeah, this is an all-time high. This is an all-time high. So if it's a good company, it's gonna come back to this and try to break this line. You know what I mean? So that's $100 move, and it had a low of $109. I wish
I didn't even see that. I didn't even know that, man.
I wish. So it's up $50, like $40. It's up $40 since then. Like, bruh, this is a buy.
See where it's at on the RSI right quick.
Okay, I got you. RSI up. This is on the daytime frame, so it's working its way back up.
Yeah.
Or, you know what I mean? It's probably gonna take a little dip when it's already at resistance, so it's probably about to pull back a little bit and run up there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? On the daytime
40, so that 140 right there, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I know. You probably come back to this point. Got 140 and I'll buy a piece. You know what I mean? Because that's still below where IPO'd at. It IPO'd at 180.
And you could tell that's a strong support. Once it IPO'd, it dropped down to 140.
Yep.
And you did that a few times.
Boom. You know what I mean? Came back, did it again, came up, boom. You know what I mean? So yeah, 140 is a strong support for sure.
Yeah.
And then that's what I'm about to tell y'all. So with IPO, people, the hype around these gets so big before they drop that people start throwing money at it and it run up higher. Okay, so Airbnb is a perfect example. I mean, DoorDash is a perfect example. I believe DoorDash was supposed to IPO at like $80.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the
When it
hype was
came out, it
so
was crazy.
the hype
I
was
remember
so
that.
big. They ran it up with so many pre-orders and market orders before it even IPO that
Yeah.
IPO at like 180. They
Yeah.
ran it up. So I really don't want that. That's
Yeah.
FOMO. Like it ain't even that ain't even an evaluation the company gave itself.
Right. So the company don't even think that they stock should be that
Yeah,
high.
because the
And
company get evaluated.
fun fact, DoorDash is not profitable. Bro told me that. Like, that's crazy. Like, I actually work DoorDash. Like, to think that company is not making money. Like, I'm making money, but they not profitable.
Not yet. They will be.
Eventually, yeah. And when they do be profitable, it's gonna be a lot.
Yeah.
On something. They're really gonna start making a lot of money. Right now, it's probably just a lot of ads and stuff.
Yeah, the pandemic really helped them out for real. The pandemic helped them out for sure.
Yeah, it definitely did.
It got their numbers up, so they doing real good for real. But this is how IPOs work, y'all. So we just, you know what I mean, you can just chill, wait for it to pull back to at least the price that it IPO'd at, or at least the price that you feel comfortable with paying. You know what I mean?
Or the price that they expected for the stock to be at. Like you said, DoorDash was IPO was originally at 80, right?
Yeah, it was like 89 or something like that. Like it was I think it was supposed to be like 50, but then they bumped it up like a few days before and it was at like 80. But then the hour that it dropped, it was already at 180. Like that's how much hype is around that.
If you compare that to
Airbnb.
If you compare that to what is it, Uber not even $100. Is it? Ain't that still around
no,
like
they
50,
not.
50 bucks?
It was last time I checked it might have hit 60. Yeah, I mean, I rock with Uber. That is a good company too, y'all. Like this a good investment too. This
Uber just a good
and
brand
IPO at 50.
around.
At 50 and IPO at 50. Look at that.
Right, yeah.
Let's see. Look at that. I already knew it because I remember. Oh no, IPO. Oh, okay. Oh no, IPO'd up here. So the very first candle, right here at 45.
It ran up
45. I'll pay that. I'll pay that. That's nothing. That's easy. Like I'm only $5 away from where you started out at. After you then ran down and all this, like this one, good buy right here. $15.
Whoa.
Well, I didn't know that.
That was at the beginning of the pandemic, man. See, we done missed out on so many plays, man.
Well, I didn't know that. Hey,
man,
I gotta put the alert on
$15. That's the price of an Uber.
Yeah. Hey, right. Hey, bro, I gotta put an alert on this. Matter of fact, let me show y'all how to do this real quick because alerts is like boom. So alerts is right up here in the top, real quick before we get up out of here. This is the alert button right here. Boom, you can click the alert and then tell them the price that you want the alert at, and then it'll send a text message to your phone or email. These are real important if you're trying to catch a stock at a certain price.
I did that alert on Apple, man. I was getting so many messages, bro. I woke up with so many alerts, man. It's crazy. But yeah, they definitely gonna send the alert out as soon as it hit your target price. So if you willing to buy at a certain price, just throw the alert on here. It's pretty simple.
Yep.
Yeah, they get your email, your phone, whatever.
They come back to 40, I'm buying it. So that's how that's gonna work. And
that's a gap right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you already see, I already charted it. Yeah. I'm already ahead on a swivel at all times. I tried this a long time ago. But yeah, I'm a buyer at 40 and I might even buy some more at 35, 36, and I'll be cool with that. But let's get up out of here before we drag this video on too long, bro. Was you able to grab a quote for the team today, man?
Oh, yeah. Let me something right quick.
Plugged in with the stock plug investment channel, man. Salute to everybody that pulled up today. Salute to everybody that's gonna pull up in the future, man. Keep in mind, man, we just want to make sure that y'all able to find these stocks and good buying points for these stocks yourselves, man. Yeah, we gonna give y'all some free picks and hopefully y'all take advice, but we really want to show you how to do it yourselves. You know what I mean? It's all game, it's all love. We want everybody to eat because it's enough bread in this market for everybody to eat. Like I promise you that. Definitely enough. We ain't gonna be the only ones out here eating. It's a bunch of other people out here eating in this stock market. We got a lot to show y'all in these next coming years, man. So just stay locked in with us, man. We're gonna get y'all together, man. Oh, my was you able to check the comments?
Oh yeah. I don't think we got no comments
Okay, cool.
today.
I wasn't able to check it. Yeah, but
we're gonna be on here on Sunday talking about some financial literacy. So y'all tap in on there.
Money Talk Sundays.
So,
Hey, last week was lit. That was a good live last week too.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Right quick, man.
But yeah, man, y'all. So yeah, just if you take anything away from this video, man, with IPOs, man, don't chase them, man. If you got the money and you wouldn't risk it, go ahead, do what you want. We all grown. We do what we want with our bread. But I'm just telling you right now, mostly all IPOs run up and come back down. So why not just wait? Be patient. Get some history, and then now you can know how to trade it. You know what I mean? If you ain't got no history.
Okay, so this is a good one right here.
Right.
They say the desire to become a millionaire overnight is the root cause of failure in the stock market. So yeah, like with this market, man, like not gonna become a millionaire overnight most of the time. Like, especially if you ain't even got the capital to start off with.
Yeah.
Like, so yeah, if you putting all your money in one basket, trying to for this stock to go up or whatever, even if it say on the chart that the stock is about to go crazy, never put all your eggs in one basket, man.
Facts.
Never do that. You're gonna lose all your money, man.
Even with IPOs, man, even though y'all know IPOs run up,
right?
Man, don't get too crazy chasing them, man. Throwing a lot of money, man, because they real risky, y'all.
Definitely.
IPOs is real risky. Give them a few months to cool off.
Yeah.
You know, run up, then cool off because all stocks do, and then that's when you buy.
You got Krispy Kreme on the way. It's a few IPOs about to drop. Robinhood. They all gonna go crazy when they come out. I already know.
Last year was crazy. Even with them what was the one joints, bro? That charge point was. It was a I can't think of the name of them. Where they're just having people present stuff to the market as an IPO. I'm blank, y'all. I think I'll hold y'all up on that video. I'll tell y'all when I think about it in the next video, man. But I appreciate everybody that tapped in. Remember, man, this is not financial advice. This is all education. This is all entertainment, man. But keep in mind, we do know what we talk about, and we do want to teach y'all the game so we all can eat. We all can eat.
All right, y'all. We're gonna be here on Sunday, though. Make sure y'all tap in. Appreciate y'all tuning in.
On IG on Sunday.
Oh, yeah. Instagram, Stock Plug Investments.
Yep, Stock Plug Investments. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button. Click all too, man. And like this video, man, if you learned something from it, man, we can use them likes, man, for sure.